Hello. Hello. Okay. Hello
Hello,
po. Good
hello, Teacher
evening.
Paul.
Do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so I am late for about 5 minutes because I have something to prepare. Okay, so for now,
Okay,
since we start late 5 minutes, so we will end also 5 minutes. Okay, so is it okay?
okay.
Okay, so how's your day po? How's your day?
Uh, it's great.
Why you can say that is it great?
I have a new task in my work that
Mm-hmm.
have me learn the new thing and learn new subject.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah, and I like it.
is it your first time to do that task?
Yes.
Okay, so then what's the feeling? What's the feeling po doing some new things or new tasks? Is it exciting? Is it nervous? Or is it happy to be learn new things for you?
Uh, I feel I'm very exciting because I love to learn the new thing. I love the changing everything. Yeah.
Okay, so that's great. So dealing with new tasks is very important so that as person we also grow. That we
Yes.
can apply it in our future life. Okay, so before we start or continue our topic this night po, so we will have a review. Okay, so last Monday this is our topic about festivals, right? Did you still
Yes.
remember? Did you still remember these 5 words? The Spring
Yes.
Festival, the Mid-Autumn
Mid
Day,
Autumn Day Lantern
Lantern
Festival.
Festival, Dragon Boat
Food
Festival,
Festival.
and the Cold
Cold
Food
Food
Festival.
Festival.
Okay, so my question po is, what festival is celebrated during when they celebrated with they cook cold dishes from the world cold dishes. What festival is that?
Absolutely. This is Cold Food Festival.
Okay, how about what festival is when there is a mm, persons or player who paddling in order to reach in the finish line. What festival is that?
Mm.
Mhm. There are
Uh,
players paddling and there is one person at the front. What festival is that?
this is the Dragon Boat Festival.
Okay, nice, very good. So that is the Dragon Boat Festival. Okay, so how about when the people are gathering every night? Then there is something that they have to lighten.
This is the Lantern
Every
Festival.
darkness falls. So this is the Lantern Festival. Okay, so that's great. Okay, so moving on. Did you see my screen? This one?
Yes.
Okay, so the words are holiday, get together, food, custom, and climate. Okay, so the very interesting and crucial for this one is this what we call a climate. What is the other word that we discussed last Monday po?
This is weather.
Okay, so that's great. So you still remember the other word. So what is the difference between climate and weather again? If you still remember.
Climate is to
Climate.
describe something changing in the in a long time, and the weather is changing in short time.
Okay, so meaning climate and lantern, I mean weather is not the same. So climate is for a long time. Then the weather is for only
Short time.
short period of time. Okay, so now let's move on this one. Can you read number 3 for me po?
Okay. Do you agree that festivals are becoming less interesting nowadays?
Okay, do you agree that festivals are becoming less interesting nowadays? So in your own opinion po, did you agree of that question? Did you agree or not?
I don't agree with that because
Why?
I think the feeling is changing when you grow up, and it's depend on your age. That the moment you feel the festivals when you are when you 10 years old, you feel with the another way. When you're 20 or 30 or 40, this is the another way feeling.
So for you that every year, every stages of our life, we celebrated festivals in a different way, but it never
Yes.
become less interesting, right?
Yes.
Okay, so because every festival is very interesting, but we celebrated it in different way, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so that's great. So by the way, po, can you read these 5 words for me? These 5 words below.
Shopping, similar, travel, watch TV, neighbors.
Okay, so these 5 words, these are the factors they said so that the festivals become less interesting nowadays. So, in your opinion, why they can say that these 5 words became the reason why it become less interesting? In your own idea, these 5 words.
Mm, I think the similar of festivals let them feel less interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Why?
it's make them um the festivals are not the specific and and many of them are the same. People will maybe the people will feel bored. Yes.
Okay,
Mm, mm,
so that's your opinion, right? Okay, so
mm.
in also these 5 words, instead of going to the parade, going to the night out celebration, these 5 words disturb these 5 words get the time, right? Because instead of getting in the shopping, getting in the parade, they go to the
Yeah.
mall, right? Because in the road, it is very hot, right?
Yes.
But how about in the shopping mall? It is very cold. Then
Yes.
also, they can buy whatever they want. So, especially when fiesta or when, should we say, a Christmas. So,
Hmm.
instead we go to the park, we go to our parents' home. So, we go to the mall and find a sell, find a things that are 50% off, 30% off. Okay, so this thing catch our interest. Okay, so
Okay.
how about shopping? So do you love shopping, Puk? Do you love shopping?
Sure. I think everyone loves shopping.
What is your favorite thing that you have or you will go or you love to shop?
Um, I prefer uh to buy them furniture.
Furniture
Yeah. Yes. I
like
love to decorating my house.
okay, so you love shopping also. So but for now, how when is the last time you go shopping? You went shopping?
Uh, Go shopping. I think it's a couple of months.
Oh,
Mm,
how
yes, because
how do you prefer shopping online or in a store po? Did you ever try shopping online?
yes. In Vietnam, we the younger
Mm.
um shopping online too much. There are most shopping by there are most buy everything in the online market like Shopee, Lazada.
Oh, okay. So we
Yeah,
also have that here in the Philippines. Actually,
yes.
if I'm not mistaken, I have 3 parcels.
Mm.
I think it will come 2 days or 3 days from now. So I will have to save money for the 3 parcels. How about you?
Yeah.
Did you have any order right now online or not yet?
Uh, Sorry, I don't understand.
How about you? Do you have do
Mm.
you a up, an upcoming orders online?
Do you have an upcoming orders online? No, I don't have that right
Mm,
now.
okay, so I think you still saving for your dream cell phone, right?
Yes.
So that you
Oh,
did
you
not
still
have.
remember?
Yes, I still remember. Okay, so you didn't have any orders. Okay, so I think is it enough for the word shopping. Okay, how about
Okay.
okay similar? And what for you, Pook? What is the relationship in the festivals to the word similar? In your own opinion, what is the word similar?
Yeah.
Similar.
Uh, mm, this is the time people don't have to go to work. have the free time to enjoy, to connection with the others, have time to go out with friends, with family, to chat or cook the food. Yes, I
Oh,
think most the festival had the same had the same thing like that.
okay. So actually, that's great. Okay, so actually, in other words, should we say common interest? So usually, people
Um,
with common interests have also similar in things to do. So for example, Book and Teacher Ford are are good or they love to go to the gym. So
yes.
our common interest is going to the gym. So our similarities is we love to go to the gym, right? So in other words, these are the example of the sentence using the word similar. Okay, so this shirt is similar to the one I bought last week. Another sentence is these two festivals are similar because both are about family. Okay, so in
Mm.
your idea po, in your stock knowledge, what are the festivals that are similar? That are similar. For example, here in our country, in the Philippines, there are so many festivals that are similar in meaning. They symbolizes family, they symbolizes a month of women like Mother's Day. They are there are festivals that all of the women are going in a parade. Is there any festivals in Vietnam book that are you think it is similar?
Mm.
What festivals in Vietnam that you think are similar?
Mm.
Just just think
Mm.
about it. The festivals. Did you know some festivals or you don't have?
Um, I think this is the Vietnamese Women's Day.
Mm-hmm.
On the 8th of March. 8th March.
8 March. So usually the women have so many festival or holidays like day for example Women's Day, Women's Month that there is a holiday here or a parade here in breastfeeding day, I guess. If I'm not mistaken, right? Or breast cancer day, where all of the women who have a cancer and they also go to the parade, just like what other festival do or did. Okay, so
Mm.
moving on po is the third word. What is the third word?
It's travel.
Travel. Okay, so what do you love po? What do you love po? Going in a festival or going into travel?
I love to travel.
Why? Why you pick
Um,
travel than participating in a festival?
because in festival I have some days off, and I
Mm-hmm.
have the time to travel the far um um the long distance um from my place. I live in the south of Vietnam, so I have the time to travel around the north of Vietnam.
Okay, so you love to travel, like participating in a festivals, right?
Yes.
Because also in my opinion, I also love to travel, but traveling outside or outside the country, I never tried to travel, but someday, somehow, soon,
Mm,
I will also love or I will also dream of traveling outside the Philippines. Okay, so soon, it might or if I will be picked or I had a chance to travel outside the Philippines, I should say that I am going also to travel in the Vietnam. And maybe
yes.
we see each other. Okay, okay. So next one is the word watch TV.
TV,
Do
watch
you
TV.
know a person spoke that instead of going outside, going to your family, to your friends, they prefer to watch TV than than to go outside. Do
Uh,
you know some person?
no, I don't know the person because in Vietnam
Mhm.
nowadays, the younger don't love to watch TV. Yes, what TV is the exciting um, the exciting entertainment for people in the past, because Vietnam have a hard time in the past. Yeah, at least the people have TV, so they love to watch TV. But nowadays, we have the internet. We have more more things. We have to change to travel to the other country. We
Mhm.
have smartphone. We have computer. So the younger don't watch TV anymore.
Okay, right. So
Yeah.
they even though they go outside, they participated in the
Yes.
festivals, they still had a connection online
Yes.
internet by using their cell phone, especially the cell phone, right? But how about the elders? How about the elders? Are
Uh,
they still allowed to go on a festival, or they seem to be getting tired so that they only
mm,
love to watch TV? In your idea, in your own idea, how about the elders?
the elders, they, I think they, I based on my mother and my father,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
they
yes.
just only want to meet their children, um, have a small party, have a small party. We will cook food together and
Mm-hmm.
talk about our life. Yes. Actually, my family not in an interesting very much in watching TV.
Okay, so
No.
that's great. Okay, so we also have a choice, but going in a
Mm,
festivals is more interesting or more meaningful than watching on TV. Because in
Yeah.
festivals, we can communicate, we can
Hmm.
engage with so many persons, so many cultures, right? But in TV, we are only getting ideas. Some
Yes.
ideas or some news are fake nowadays. We don't have to trust quickly on what we see on the TV, right?
Yes.
So because
I
some
think it's yeah, I think this is a great culture.
mm,
Um, because my family have a time like that. We will watch TV together every night, not in the festival. We
so
watch
that's
the film. We watch films together every night.
so that is your family bond
Mm,
watching TV every night, right?
yes.
Okay, so the last one po.
Mm,
The last one is the word neighbors. Okay, so in your opinion, is your neighbors become less interesting in a festivals right now, or they still have the same energy before?
um, I agree. My neighbors don't interesting about the festival.
Mhm.
In the past, my neighbors in my countryside, um, they create many activity in festival to connect the people. But now we don't have any activity like that. Just only the family do their um hobby. Yeah, and then um they just close the relationship with the others.
Okay, so at
Yeah.
least your neighbors are still connected with your mother and your father. So same also here in my country. So
Mm,
our uncle and auntie are also connected. So they gather, they, for example, there are events or holidays or festivals. So
mm,
all of their foods, so they are going to cook in their house. Then also they will put the food only in one table. So that is our grandmother or grandfather house. So we eat
yes.
together. So that's the great spirit of celebrating a festivals, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so
I agree
but
with that.
but for now po, let's end first the meeting, then
Okay.
let's continue. Okay?
Okay. I will let you know.